To meteorologist Catie McNeil with our full forecast. Katie, I know a lot of 4th of July celebrations taking place in the next following hours.
Yeah, so luckily the rest of the weekend, including today, looks just fine as we're still seeing the cleanup underway, as Alex mentioned, from some of these power outages still in effect across parts of our area. Let's take a look outside right now at our live cam in North Scituate, one of the communities heavily affected by this strong line of storms that came through yesterday evening. We are now much drier and quieter, much different scene than what I was showing about 6:30 yesterday evening here. And let's take a look back a little bit. Some of the wind gusts we recorded, one of the major impacts from this was wind damage. Connecticut Point, Warwick, and Fall River reported over 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Other areas saw upwards of 50 to even 60 miles an hour. Of course, we also saw very heavy rainfall, flooding reports, and hail. So with that, the widespread local impact. This was a very fast-moving system between around 6:45 to 8:30 in the evening, stretching from Rhode Island to southeastern Massachusetts, with several reports of trees down, power outages, of course, that we're still dealing with today, localized flooding, and that wind damage. Looking ahead now, we do have a heat advisory in effect, which will go in effect 7 a.m. Sunday, continuing through 8 p.m. Monday, with heat index values in the shaded areas up to 100 degrees. So this includes Kent County, Providence County, and northern Bristol County, Mass as well. In the meantime, though, we're staying quiet through the rest of today and tomorrow with comfortable temperatures and humidity levels. Temperatures right now 80 in Providence, down towards the coast we're at 78 in Newport. So as we continue on, nice rest of the evening for any fireworks displays or 4th of July activities. We're going to be continuing to see that comfortable sunshine and dew points tomorrow on Saturday before that heat and humidity builds back in Sunday into Monday. With that, our sunshine index the next several days staying mostly sunny to sunny through Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but again, that humidity and heat is going to build back in. So although conditions will still be quiet here, we're going to be looking a lot more humid starting on Sunday, with that trend continuing well into this upcoming week. Satellite and radar, a much different scene now, nice and quiet here, not a cloud in the sky for the time being here, and we're seeing high pressure building in, keeping things nice and dry, but that's also going to aid in that increase in temperatures and humidity towards the end of the weekend. But again, in the meantime, nice and quiet for the rest of the evening here. We're seeing temperatures dropping down a little bit cooler, lower 60s, upper 50s across the area. Might even want to bring a light jacket if you're going to be out and about later on tonight. As we head towards the early morning hours tomorrow on Saturday, some light cloud coverage at times, but we'll still be seeing plenty of sunshine on and off throughout the day. By the afternoon, your highs could approach the lower 80s inland, around 83, 84 degrees down towards the coast. Just a little bit cooler, all dependent on kind of how much sunshine we see, especially towards the second half of the day. Saturday morning, cooler start early in the lower 60s. That's going to lead way to some mixed cloud coverage towards the afternoon, but still a lot of sunshine out there with those highs and humidity levels very comfortable throughout the day. Your 7-day forecast here again. We're not looking at any issues precipitation or storm-wise for the rest of the weekend, but just be mindful that as the heat builds in, we're going to see a little bit more of an oppressive feel to the air on Sunday and Monday.
I'm just grateful that today is okay, because I know people in Bristol take this celebration very seriously. I mean, Mel, this is her Christmas. So
I know. Everything worked out well for the parade. Conditions will stay quiet now.
All right. Well, more coverage you can count on coming up on 12 News at 4:30.